Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Facebook pixel data to Meta Business Suite. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring Facebook pixel data to Meta Business Suite, first, log into your Facebook account. Next, navigate to your Meta Business Suite. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Data Sources. Within that section, select Pixels. Locate the pixel you want to transfer data from and click on it. This will bring you to the Pixel Settings page. Look for the option that says Connect to Business Suite. Click on that option to initiate the process. A prompt will appear, detailing what data will be transferred. Review the information to ensure you understand what data is included. Once you are ready, click the Continue button to proceed. You may need to confirm your choice by entering your password or going through a two-factor authentication process. After successful verification, you will be guided to configure settings for your pixel data transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once configured, check to ensure that all settings are correct. Your Facebook pixel data should now be successfully transferred to Meta Business Suite. For verification, you can navigate back to the Data Sources section. Look for your pixel again and check the status to confirm the transfer was successful. You have now completed the transfer of your Facebook pixel data to Meta Business Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.